How to clear system data on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find Safari and tap on it. You are now in the Safari settings page. Here, scroll down to the History and Website Data section and tap on Clear History and Website Data. Choose a time frame from here. For example, All History. Then, tap on Clear History below. You have now successfully cleared all your history on Safari. Now, go back and tap on Messages. In the Messages settings page, scroll down to the Message History section and tap on Keep Messages. From here, select a time range. For example, 1 year. Then, tap on Delete to permanently delete messages older than 1 year. Following these steps, you can easily clear system data on iPhone.